We sit the kids down in the circle and we say, what do we think the rules should be for our classroom? Right? And it's all fun and it's really nice, and the kids give you all these wonderful things like we should be respectful, we should be nice, we should not talk when the teacher's talking, no swearing, blah, blah. And we write it on this wonderful poster board and we stick it to the wall and it goes into the abyss. I walk into classrooms all the time and I see these nice, wonderful posters on the wall and I see the kids all over the place and I go, that's really effective, huh? It's a fun activity, but it goes nowhere. You really only need to have 3 or 4 solid expectations. And you're the adult. It's okay for you to make them. Do the kids always need to be the ones that tell you the way the classroom should run? No. I love engaging kids in the conversation, all right? But sometimes they are dependent on the adults. And I'll tell you this, right now I'm seeing too many young children that are making adult decisions. And it's not their job to make adult decisions. That's what the adults are for. And this is happening in families. I mean, there's not a lot of boundaries out there. And so they need that from us. So it's okay to say, hey, this is how we do our classroom. I've got 4, and you see my 4 up here. You know, if it goes against the school's values or our classroom values, you can't do it. And if it's against the law, you can't do it. All right? Just can't do it. If it's going to hurt you or somebody else emotionally or physically, you can't do it. And if I say stop or no, we're done. And the kids are like, what? And if we stay there with that, they're okay. And then I've had new kids who move in, and they'll come and sit down, and they'll try to argue on something, and I say, no, not now. And another kid across the room will go, she's not going to budge on that. That's rule number 4. And I'm like, oh, yeah.